Hello and welcome to Rally Race Guys vlog 15. So today we'll be trying to finish off this footwell of all the welding that we're doing from last time. And I've got it set up now with a 16 amp plug, so it is running a lot better. And we are able to put beads down now. As I said last time, I was going to shot blast the manifold, which I have. This is the state it comes back after you've shot blasted it. You've still got to spray it. So at the moment I'm just going to leave it like this. Probably put it up into storage for now, and I think I'm gonna spray it silver like I said last time. Ryan's coming down today. He's going to hopefully finish off the bumper or get further with the bumper. I'm down doing the welding, and Michael's here as well doing his mini. We've just welded some brackets for his spotlights, which hopefully we'll be able to show you in a bit. At the moment we're cracking on, and as of now we've got the welder, we can do a lot more things, so hopefully we can get on with the process of getting it all welded, and then hopefully on the way to being sprayed. If I get to a position of I've completed the welding, I will be going over each weld where I've welded and then grinded again with the red oxide primer, so we've got that protection, because obviously this is still a damp environment, and we don't want it to rust after we've welded. So we'll get on with welding a bit more and grinding, and I'll see you in a bit. Today I didn't film a lot. I was just concentrating on welding and helping Michael and Ryan and stuff. Got a lot welded, more than I ever thought I would in one day, and with a welder that actually works and gas. Unfortunately, the reason we stopped was because we ran out of gas after little bolts on here. These ones, they're only I believe they're less than a litre. Yeah, one of those lasted a foot long, so we may need one more to do the other side, and we probably need two more to finish this section up, the inside and the underneath, or half the underneath. So that I think each of those bottles are £13, so not a lot at all. So I'll show you what I've done today, and I'll show you what Michael's done, and I'll show you what Ryan's done. So this is what I've done. So all the bits that are primered, I've literally just gone over, just because that's where I've welded and I don't want any rust, etc. So I've started to seam weld along here. All the holes are now gone except the ones that I wanted. seam welded down there, and what the bit I'm most happy about is this plate here. This plate is that there. So, and I've got this section done as well, and I've got all these holes done, and that main hole done as well, which I'm gonna run around here with a grinder, divvy underneath as well, and then do seam sealer. So we're well on the way. Unfortunately, I was going to get this plate in. I've shaped it now to the actual body because it was slightly off, so you got a bit of an upward slope. So I've now hammered that into place, and these are the 3 welds that I realised that the actual welder had run out of gas. So we're well on the way. I didn't know if I showed you this, but this is literally a Wolf weld. I believe it's 140 amps. And to make it even better, I've put a 16 amp plug on it, and it works an absolute treat, to be honest. So I don't know if you remember when we were messing around with Rob's Mini, etc. Michael was telling you about his project that he wanted for his Mini, and he has now started that with the help of the welder. So here's the front. I believe this is the front piece with where the light bar is, and here's the other pieces. They've all been notched out and other stuff. So for Ryan today, he's got his finger sander and taken down the fiberglass that we wanted to take down, and then he's refilled it there and there. So, and he's taken this all down, and it's looking really, really good. The body lines come back an absolute treat. I can't wait to see it finished. That is an absolute treat to see that coming together. So that's it for today. I know it's been a shorter episode, but unfortunately we were welding and I don't want to damage the camera. I don't know if I can, if the welding arc does damage the camera, but I don't want to risk it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and continue watching for the next episodes, and hopefully we'll get all the welding done in the next couple of weeks or so. And then it's on to prep of the inside ready for paint and prep of the underside ready for undersealing. So I can't wait. I'm absolutely buzzing, and this car will be nearly finished, other than we've got to weld the seat rails in, but we'll get this eventually. Check our social media out because we do post regular updates on there. But thank you for watching, and bye.